Every new development has completely dismantled the evolutionary paradigm and its claims, just as the discovery of the microscope did. But interestingly, the idea of evolution has never been abandoned. In the scientific world, a hypothesis is proposed. But if subsequent observations don't support it, the hypothesis is abandoned. But the concept of evolution, the evolutionary hypothesis, isn't like that. In fact, in our view, evolution isn't even a theory. It's an unproven hypothesis. Why? Because not a single claim related to evolution has ever been scientifically demonstrated in a laboratory. For instance, it claims that living things speciate from one another. To this day, not a single laboratory experiment has ever shown one organism speciating from another. Meaning it has never been possible to take one organism in a lab and transform it into another. Now, some claim we can't do this simply because it's difficult, that it's not possible. They say it can't be done in a lab because it involves highly complex processes that require vast amounts of time. However, one of the most crucial tenets of this theory is that speciation occurs through these transitional forms. And regarding transitional forms, there is no identification, no evidence whatsoever. There should be millions, perhaps countless, examples of transitional forms showing speciation. In fact, Darwin himself cited this as one of the theory's weak points. He asked, why can't we find these transitional forms? Well over 100 years have passed since Darwin, and still no transitional forms have been found. Every fossil specimen that's found turns out to be a new species, not a transitional form. It's understood to be a distinct species in its own right. Therefore, there is no laboratory data to support that argument, nor is there any field data.